Outside Fredericksburg, Virginia, a 165-megawatt solar project, Apple partnered with Etsy Akamai and Swissari to bring this project to life. In Denmark, two of the world's largest onshore wind turbines, standing 200 meters tall, they produce 62 gigawatts annually, enough for 20,000 homes, powering Apple's Vyborg data center. Green bonds also fund low-carbon design, energy efficiency, carbon mitigation, and carbon sequestration. Every part of Apple's operations becomes greener. But this case study isn't just about green projects. It teaches students to calculate current yield, yield to maturity, and yield to call using real Apple bond data. Students learn. Current yield is annual coupon divided by price. Yield to maturity considers total return if held to maturity. Yield to call considers early redemption. Real-world finance skills, green bonds, carbon neutrality, bond yield calculations. This case has it all. At thecasesolutions.com, we break down complex finance and sustainability cases for students. Need help understanding Apple's green bond strategy or calculating YTM? Visit thecasesolutions.com today.